What's up, Wonders of London fans, and do you guys like natural scenes? If you do, you must certainly visit Golders Hill Park, where you can find the likes of squirrels like that guy over there enjoying some nuts, and this guy down here looking for food. Simply beautiful. Got so many brilliant squirrels in Golders Hill Park. And Golders Hill Park is such a fun little place, and it is part of Hampstead Heath. And if you love the Heath, you must certainly visit this section of Hampstead Heath. And if you love squirrels, check out how many squirrels you have here. 3 of them, and they're just staying so close by. They're so calm and relaxed. Of course, this guy's moving as soon as I zoom on him. He's not very photography. But also, you've got such lovely views, much like over here. Have a look at these reflections. And I'm a great fan of reflections. But check out these reflections of the natural world. We've got the blue sky above us and the greens and the dark shadows all going through. I do hope you enjoyed this little video. And of course, hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing videos of London. And hope you're enjoying the music coming from behind me over there. And of course, have a lovely rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.